White's objective here is to make a living shape. White's eye space seems very small, so if you try something like this is definitely not going to be enough. So if you need a hint, again, start with this cut. Black will have to capture white this way. And now what should white do? White should keep playing here, right? Number 5 is increasing eye space. And the next move is really important. White has to stand down here. Otherwise, this will be a ko. Not the optimal result. After standing down here, white is threatening this descent at A14. So if black captures now, white can make a living shape here on the corner. This will be a bent 4 shape right here. So black's strongest move is number 8 here. What white can do now is this Atari at number 9. And now it seems like white can make an extra eye here. So that's good. But the problem is that white needs an extra eye here on the corner as well. If it plays here at 11, then number 12 can come in, and number 14, really sharp move, right? This is a snap back, and white will not have an extra eye here on the corner. So where should number 11 be? It's actually very, very tricky, so please make sure you spend some time thinking about number 11 before listening to my explanation. An intuitive move would be this, but because of the snapback, number 12 here is really sharp. After this exchange, black can play here, right, threatening to destroy this eye with number 16. But if white answers here, black can destroy the real eye here, and there will not be a real eye for white. So this way, white fails. That's why number 11 here will not work. And what will work is actually really strange. It's actually right here. It seems like black can capture these two stones very easily, right? White cannot connect. White can only play this. But this actually works, right? This guarantees at least one real eye here. If black plays here, now white can make a living shape this way. If black destroys this way, then white can live this way. So actually giving up 2 more stones doesn't hurt white. But black's strongest response is right here, right? Coming in this way. And now white will have to try to preserve this eye. Black plays here. And now what white needs to do is not this, right? Because this way, white still cannot find a second real eye. White needs to make this eye. And now it seems like black will be able to destroy this eye. If white captures here, now what happens is that this becomes a false eye, and white cannot Atari from behind because of its shortage of liberties. So that is why white must give up these 2 stones. And guess what? White will be forcing black to crawl 3 times here on the first line, and will be able to capture black like this. Black can no longer connect because number 15 happens to be a cutting point as well. So this way, black will all die. And that is why number 22 can only be here, and white will make a living shape this way at number 23. So overall, super complicated sequence. Make sure you understand what each move is all about, and let me know if you have any questions. Good luck, and thank you for watching.